Holy sherbet!
Hey guys, welcome back to AJ Creates. I just want to thank you guys for 100 subscribers really quick before we get on with today's video. It's a big accomplishment for me. And we also did a video explaining a giveaway that we're gonna do for 100 subscribers. And we're also gonna do like a video for hitting 100 subscribers celebration video kinda. But yeah. That's all I wanted to say before we get this video started, but as you can see, we now found the ultimate talking Sonic from Sonic Movie 3. He looks so cool. He lights up, obviously. He had this, like, try me thing. He's just super duper cool. I really like him. Before we start unboxing him, let's take a look at his packaging, right now. Alright, let's take a look at the packaging for this guy. He's got the standard Sonic Movie 3 packaging. We got on the side, we got the renders of Sonic, Knuckles, and Tails. Over here, it says he's got 30, what is this? There are 30 sounds and phrases. Down here, it says that he's got a bunch of places to speak. Ultimate Talking Sonic at the bottom, Sonic Movie 3 logo. I can't see. Sonic Movie 3 logo, Ultimate Talking Sonic. On the other side, we got Sonic again, and then we got the shadow picture screenshot. On the back of the box, we got the figure itself, which looks pretty cool in that stance. We got the picture down here showing the light up eyes and quills, which I think is pretty cool, as you saw in the intro there. The Sonic Movie 3 logo up here. Again, the Ultimate Talking Sonic, some information here in other languages. It says it has 15 points of articulation, but when I first got it, I thought I counted 16. But still, it has 15 points of articulation, 30 plus phrases and sounds, which I think is pretty cool. And at the bottom, but at the bottom, it also shows that, the 4-inch figures of the 4-inch Sonic, the 4-inch Tails, the 4-inch Shadow, and the 4-inch Eggman. I'm still on the hunt for the Sonic and Shadow. I haven't even gotten any of those, but before we get this guy out of the box, let's compare him to the 2.5-inch movie characters that I also did an unboxing video on. So go check that video out if you want to. So here's him compared to the Sonic. It looks a lot better. There's a Shadow as well, and the Knuckles compared to him. But yeah, that's about it for the packaging. Oh, there's also the Jack specific logo, and says for ages 3+. Let's get this guy out of the box and show his lights and sounds and all that stuff. All right, we cut his strings. Oh my goodness, he already feels so good to articulate. Let's take him out. Oh, he might have something on his neck. Oh yeah, he does. Let me go get that really quick. Okay, now officially he's out of the box. Okay. Don't tell me there's more. There are more on his shoes. All right, now this time, please don't be stuck. He is out of the box. I already got the neck, didn't I? We'll just see when we get all the strings off. All right, finally, we got this guy out of the box. Okay, he's got a lot of strings. There we go. Oh my goodness, he feels so good out of the box.
I'm Sonic.
Oh, well, there goes the sounds and phrases already. Let's first take a look at his articulation, then we'll get the sounds and phrases. He could go up and down at his, like, shoulder, and he can move it all around. Okay, Sonic. Let's turn you off for a second. He could do his, like, Knuckles, I think. He could move them out and in to make a fist and open hand, like the 4-inch figures. But he does not have while he does have a lot of Sonic, please. While he does not have as much articulation as the 4-inch figures, he definitely has a lot more articulation. Like, he has the same amount of articulation as the movie 2 figures. So he's like in between the 2.5-inch figures and the 4-inch figures. Over here at his legs, his knees can go up backwards and forwards, so could his legs, but not that much. Not that much articulation. At his feet, they could spin at his sock and his ankle. So same with his wrists. He's pretty big. I like this guy. There goes the sound effects again. And he swivels his head. You know what? I think Sonic's ready for the lights and... It looks really, really cool. I like the spikes in the back. I just always wondered why movie Sonic spikes were so short. Yeah, movie Shadows spikes were, like, accurately long. So, I don't know why. But, yeah, let's take a look at his lights and sounds. He's obviously got this main one on his chest.
I'm Sonic.
Where he's got 3 phrases that says, I'm Sonic from the movie, from the first one.
Holy sherbert!
Holy sherbert from the second one.
Gotta go fast!
And gotta go fast from the first one as well. Usually, like, if you move his hands out and in, like, he would make sounds and phrases, but it only worked for me once. I don't know why. Kayla knows why. Oh, those aren't buttons. Yeah, apparently they're like things to hold the thing so that they go up and down. But there's also things on the shoes where you push in.
I gotta go fast.
Where he says, I gotta go fast from the second movie. And a bunch of Sonic running sounds. Same on the other shoe. Pretty cool. Yeah, on the other shoe there should be more. Although this one's a very long one. The next one on the other shoe. Alright, high five. That's also from the Sonic movie plush, which I might compare him to. And then the other sound is some more spin dash sound effects, which is pretty cool. But yeah, this guy's a pretty cool figure. I honestly don't really know what else to say about him. He's super cool. He's very posable. You could put him in a lot of poses. I think this guy is super duper cool. Like, even if you just wanted to put him on display, you could. He's like so huge, but he's like able to do so much. I love this figure. I'm gonna bring out the Sonic movie plushes just to compare him. Oh, and I forgot that we are gonna showcase him in the dark to see what his lights are like, really like in the dark. All right, we got out the movie Sonic plush to compare him to. Although this is a Sonic movie 1 plush, so it is gonna be a little bit different. He even got the rip-off shoes that I don't like, but still. They're basically the same exact height, which is pretty hilarious. Although he has like more like a brown skin tone, like he just got tanned at the beach, the plush. But I think this is a really good comparison. They're like the same exact height. I think that's hilarious. Now let me compare him to movie Knuckles, Build-A-Bear movie Knuckles. Since it's Build-A-Bear, of course it's gonna be a bigger, but still. Wow. Wow. They actually scale pretty well. Well, they don't, but like they look pretty well together, to my surprise. And yeah, that's about gonna do it for this video. Let's go showcase him in the dark. Alright, this was about as dark as I could get it. Let's see his lights. Looks so cool in the dark. Oh my goodness, like his entire head lights up. Wow, that's amazing. This figure really is awesome, which makes me wish that they made like an ultimate, that they would make like an ultimate talking Shadow, where like his phrases are like, you're a colorful bunch or something like that, or like him saying like what I had to Sonic or something like that, or like when we're done there won't be anything left. Those are literally his only 3 lines that we heard of him so far, unless you count the teaser that we got. a while back.
Sherbert.
But yeah, this guy looks awesome in the dark. But yeah, that's gonna about do it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to keep an eye out for that 100 subscriber giveaway stuff and all that stuff. We did already post the video, so make sure to comment on that video. We have the instructions in that video. Make sure to also check out my sister Kayla's channel, which is called Kayla's Adventures, and she posts like a bunch of gymnastics videos, American Girl doll videos, doll videos, also a lot of gymnastics videos, and some unboxing videos of like slime and sand and like gooey stuff and stuff like that. So if you're interested in that, go check her out and go subscribe to her. She's going to be posting some pretty cool videos soon. And until next time, see you guys.